mean, that's amazing.
I watched today, there's a guy I watch on YouTube named Spencer Cornelia. You ever heard of him?
Mm-mm.
His whole YouTube channel, and I can link it down below in the video, is he puts people on blast for being frauds. And I watched an episode today, like people that pretend to be something they're not, and like pretending they own these Lamborghinis, but they really rented them, like stuff like that. And he calls out this guy that was an actor, and he was like a A-list actor. And the whole episode is about him, how he's really fraud. Like he would make these trailers. He never made a movie. He would make these movie trailers that were pretty cool, right? And he was like, you can tell in it that he wasn't the greatest actor, but it looked like cool things. And people would donate money to him. And he would never make the movie. And he would say he did. And like he would title the movie something similar to a different movie that won awards. And then Photoshop those awards onto his like movie poster to make it seem like he won them. And he was doing it. He would say, he would put on there like Al Pacino is going to be in it. Like all this stuff. So people wanted to be a part of it. And like apparently he was frauding people out of millions. They were just donating to him, and he would just make these epic trailers, and he would never do the movies.
What happened to that dude?
I'm not at the end. He's on part 2 now. So yesterday was part 1. Today he did part 2. So I don't know how it ends yet.
Okay.
Yeah, he does them like every few days, but for whatever reason, this one's been coming out every day. So I don't know what's happened to him yet. But yeah, he's just like stealing some money, and he wasn't that good of an actor. Like when you see him, but people just, once you throw in like Al Pacino or these guys, you're like, oh, he must be good. I'm going to donate to this guy.
Mm-hmm.
How wild is that, man?
That's smart, but illegal.
Evilly smart.
Evilly smart, but illegal.
I always